sitting in the back of a cop car, banging my head on the window. I can see me slamming that last car shot glass, losing everything in my billfold. Ooh, ooh, that's what I do when I'm drinking about you. So I don't wanna go downtown, doing what we used to. Twist the top off another round. Hell, I got enough loose screws. Getting tired of hearing about you. Nothing ever changes. Think I'm gonna stay right here tonight, 'cause that could be dangerous. That could be dangerous. I can see me doing just fine with the Daisy Duke dime, but I don't see it lasting long. I can see me ordering too many drinks at the bar, get the bartender pouring, I'm strong. It's what I do when I'm trying to drink you gone. So I don't wanna go downtown, doing what we used